come for a hug, head straight for a kiss. Don't come for my face, cause I'm talking about my I'ma need all of my kisses down there. One hand on my neck, one pulling on my hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Ty, aka glambytai, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm reviewing a whole new lace spray, sis. A whole new color, okay? So if you guys wanted to see how I achieve this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so for today's wig, we have a wig from Kemi Hair, and it's super cute. It's this nice silver bob. It's 16 inches, supposedly 16 inches, sis. We'll get into that later, but it's supposedly 16 inches. And yeah, it's human hair, 100%. And yes, let's get into the inside of the cap. As y'all can see on the left side, I already went on ahead and put makeup to blend it into my skin texture. And then on the other side, I just show you guys how it's not blended, so you can kind of see the knots. I did not bleach this wig. I did go on ahead and pluck a little bit, but I really didn't bleach it or nothing like that. So I really wanted to see how it was gonna look on my head. Okay, so I'm bringing some new-ish to y'all. All right, this is the MyOwnDynasty. It's their lace melting spray. I was kind of skeptical about it, okay, because I was comparing it so much to freeze spray that I was like, what is this? But they contacted me to review this spray, and I was like, okay, sure, because I'm looking for a new lace spray, lace glue, whatever you want to call it. They were kind enough to put a little edge tamer brush, which I love. And of course, they have their card, their business cards, and their business flyers. Okay, so once I completely had put like face powder all on the inside of the lace, which I wish I would have never did, because after I did this step, I went on ahead and took my free spray and I sprayed it on the inside to secure it. I'll tell you guys later on in the video why I should have not did that, because yeah, don't do what I did. I learned from my mistake. Don't do that. But other than that, it actually blended in, the lace blended in with my skin without bleaching, so I didn't have no problems. All right, what y'all see me doing now is taking my clips, and I'm gonna take the front of the wig and pin all that back so we can start actually working on melting our lace. Now, I go on ahead and take my little baby scissors, and I'm gonna cut my lace into little sections. The reason why I'm doing this is because the MyOwnDynasty does say to work in sections. And it also says that when you're drying your wig or tacking your wig down, to use cool heat. Make sure your blow dryer is on cool setting. Do not apply heat. You would think that heat is going to dry it. No, not necessarily. This product is more like, it's almost kind of like a spray oil sheen kind of combination. It's not drying your lace or anything like that, so you don't get like crusty lace, but it's more so gonna tack it down like a freeze spray. That's the best way I can explain. It is kind of like a hairspray that's really like really secure. So I wanted to do this video with me just using this product alone. I did not want to go ahead and use none of my Got2b products, no lace glue, nothing. I just wanted to use this and see where it was gonna get me. And honestly, yeah, sis. Because I probably should not have did that. I probably should have paired it with another product, because this alone, I mean, it's not bad. It does hold, as y'all can see. It's a secure hold, but it doesn't give me what I need. You feel me? It doesn't do it for me. Honestly, I can say that this product is like a quick, easy, like throw on wig. Like if you're just gonna be throwing on your wig and you run out the house, I would grab this product, because that's gonna melt your like wig 2.5. Not only that, but let's say you out and your wig just start lifting or something like that, like grab this little bottle of spray, okay, boom, put your wig right back on, and what was said. So I think that is a good idea for this product. But for me to be just solely using it on to tack down my wig, I would say I would rate it probably about from a 0 to 10. I would say it's about an 8.5. I like it. I really do. It does really melt in your lace, but I just feel like if it had a stronger hold, that would be like the best. So each time that I'm doing each section, I probably sprayed about 3 to 4 layers, something like that. Now the instructions on the bottle basically say to spray the lace, and then, or not spray the lace, but you know, spray your head, spray the lace, whatever, then tack the lace down and use cool setting. Normally with the Got To Be Free spray, you spray it, then cool it, and then put your wig down. So it was a little bit different. You're supposed to put the wig down while everything is wet, which I gotta get used to because y'all know I don't like doing business like that. But other than that, once you actually start tacking it down and it starts drying, it holds really good. So I'm not even gonna lie, I did go ahead and cheat y'all, and I cut my ear tabs off camera because that shit was just too hard to be looking into a camera trying to do that. It was too hard, so I had to do it off camera. But y'all know I'll probably be doing a very detailed tutorial on how I cut my lace and cut my ear tabs off, because a lot of you been asking me in the comments about it. So I think I'm gonna just do a video specifically dedicated to that. So once I have laid my lace, I'm gonna take my scarf and put that on, and I stay with that for probably like 5-10 minutes. And bitch, at this point I was irked. I had cut my lace off camera. I thought that I was doing something. I was super irked. The wig was just not working with me. Like, I tried to do 1,000,001 styles, and the wig just did not want to work with me. It was nothing with the lace, or it was nothing. Like, it was just the wig itself. It just did not want to lay the way I wanted it to lay. It could have been another reason was that the powder that I had put, which is why I said I probably wouldn't have did this, it blended in so much with my skin that you really couldn't tell that I even had a part or that I had baby hairs. Like, a lot of people just think YouTubers just, you know, record a video and get it the fuck right. Hell the fuck no. I was so frustrated in this video. Like, by the end of this video, I was irked. Promise you. And so I did go ahead and take out my baby hairs off camera, and then I'll show you guys that I cut them, and I used my Got To Be Free spray to actually lay them. One thing that I can say about just lighter color wigs, if you're going to be wearing makeup, be very mindful that your makeup is going to get on your wig, okay? Your makeup is going to get on them baby hairs. So my makeup was just everywhere, to the point where you couldn't even see my baby hairs. Like, I don't know. I put the wig back on 2 days after this without any makeup. You know, I freshly washed it and everything like that. And I actually like that better that way than this way. Yeah. For more pictures on that, go on ahead and add me on my Instagram at itsglambytai so y'all can see pictures of it. Y'all, I was just like beyond frustrated. It was like nothing that I can do to make the wig and the baby hairs lay. Like, maybe it was the simple fact that I couldn't see them. Like, they were just so transparent with everything else that I just couldn't see them. Like, I was getting so irked. Like, so irked. I wanted to keep a lot of this in this video because I wanted to show y'all how, like, I really be struggling sometimes with certain wigs. Like, I may come on YouTube and make it look like it's easy, but I wanted to keep a lot of these clips in so y'all can see, like, I get frustrated too. This shit is not easy. Sometimes I gotta do a baby hair maybe like 5 or 6 times before that bitch lay right. So yeah, it's annoying. Finally, when I have gotten everything how I wanted, I put my scarf on, tack it down for like another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Honestly, it took a lot to get here. I'm not even gonna hold y'all because this wig is just not what I thought it was. I'm highly disappointed in the wig itself, along with the edges. Like, it doesn't look too bad like initially, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of this. Okay, I'm not even gonna hold you guys. I love the color, I love the length. Like, even this length would have been fine. However, it's super thin, and yeah, it's super thin, and it has a lot of beards on it. And this color actually reminds me when you have a 613 like platinum blonde wig, especially for us women of color. Y'all know that shit blends right in with our scalp. Like, it's gonna blend in. So the baby hairs kind of look like they're not even there. You can barely see them. But yeah, you guys, this is just what she looks like. I wanted to just come on here and talk to you guys a little bit about the lace melting spray. If I had to give it a rate from 0 to 10, you know, 10 being the best and 0 being the worst, honestly, I give this about a 7 or an 8. The reason why it's not a 10 is because it leaves like a white cast. I can't really explain it. I do like the fact that it dries super fast. As y'all can see, it dries super fast, and it's a strong hold on this bitch. Okay, like, I don't think my wig is going anywhere. And I'm very rough on my wig, sorry y'all, but I don't think my wig is gonna go anywhere with this spray. And it reminds me of Free Spray. Only thing that I can say is that the way that it comes out is not as controlled as the Free Spray bottle, but that's fine. And of course the bottle is smaller, so you get less product, but I do love the formula of it. It is a good hold. Look, if you guys can see, well, you barely can see, but it's like a cast, like under lace. That would be like a white cast. So I personally don't like that, but the wig was lifting throughout. I did do 3 layers of the spray and then put the wig on, but it was lifting, like, you know, in just certain little areas and shit. It was starting to lift. So I would say pair this with either your styling gel from Got To Be, or even this with Free Spray. I feel like that would do something. So yeah, you guys, be sure to check out MyOwnDynasty and get their melting spray, because like I said, I'm gonna be using this more often in my videos to really see what it do. And we're gonna see today how long it lasts. Like, is it gonna last like some Free Spray or... But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up for more wig reviews, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the color. Honestly, I love me some silver platinum hair, girl. What? Okay. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.